space to run the game and online. It is actually an online game. Now install it. So as you can see, the game is downloading, and there is patching an additional file to the folder of the game, so that by which we can work for complete version. So now game is 99% and it's about to complete, right? Yeah, 100% installation completed within patched files. All of them are completed and installed, and a little bit maybe remaining, but it's completely downloaded. So installation in progress now. A few seconds, maybe half minute, so that the game could locate its own position on Android device or in the hard disk. So after installation now, so now the game is real installing. Soon installation will be completed. So now you see the game has installed fully, and let's open it. Now as you can see, we're opening the game right now. It's opened. It will come soon. So now it has came, and it wants actually my permission to this game's control and positioning, like location and these things. So I will set OK first. Click on OK. Allow, yeah, allow here to access photos, media, and files on this device. Yes, allow. Now the game is coming. Like the countdown reaches 100%, it will be, yeah. So warning, in order to continue playing you must agree to the terms. Yeah, we agree to the terms. Accept and continue. Now so the game has opened, and here's the game. Now it's configuring my profile and my settings for playing the game, for starting it from the campaign. Actually you have to like give some email, something like Gmail or email address to save the game in your local position, in your local place, or your checkpoint. There is no checkpoint because it's not a story game. You don't have a story. And as you can see, this here is written like this requires internet connection. It needed the data, the files to be downloaded from by the help of internet. So right now, as you can see at the right top bottom, not the top, on the lower bottom, loading static server configurations. So it is right now downloading the required file to like play this game. Now the files have been downloaded and loading the profile or profile to be named out. So see here, this is my profile. This is the some achievement I got, like you, anyone first time they got like this. So first of all, I'm gonna see here settings, profile. So log out account, for I will log out my account for you guys to show you how to log in back into my game. because I didn't knew that my account would be logged in on installation time. So as you can see, the game have arrived. So there are two types of data playing, data using. First is guest one don't need your like information, privacy, personal information about you, like your name, your location, your position, your picture. It's just like need your data to play just a random game. And if you play the Google Play games, so you have to make an account for it. Make sure you have Google Play installed in your device. I already installed it. It's now connecting to Play Games, Google Play Games. So as you can see, this one, these two are my accounts, but this one is connected to my Google Plays. I will click on it. Guys, make sure to like, thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel, cause this is new one, and I will be sure very happy to see this act. Okay, thank you. Yeah, hey there. I'm feeling there. So see, if you have any Gmail or email connected with your, for example, not the email but the Gmail connected to your phone, Google account. So here will be no options or making an account, like giving the name, the nickname, the first name or last name, like this. Just click on your email, which you have connected to your Gmail, and connect it with your game by Play Games app. Now I have just done whatever you saw there. It's been connected to it, and the game will be soon came. It's loading right now. It will be came soon. It will be arrived soon. So now the game is in progress. The game have came right now. I have around 802 gold and $1,508 in the game while playing. So I'm gonna go to barrel. So as you can see, this way you can easily play and complete your missions in the game. You can play it very easily, this game, the levels and missions. First you should click this button. Now after that, while for staging I have chosen the random mission button, but for if you wanna change your hard or hardness, or like the difficulty of the level, so you can go and customize your level for yourself, then do it. So first of all, if you wanna change your difficulties, then click on three dots next to battle. And here I have unlocked or fulfilled this one difficulty, or completed or passed it. This one as well, this one, and the least at last there is hardcore. If you do this, then custom games with friends, play with friends, would be open to you. It means like it will be difficult as well, but it's randomly, the difficulty is random, and as well as the missions and the places are random, like the uh, cities or these countries. You will be go to random countries like Germany, maybe France, maybe America. It doesn't matter. It's the system's own decision. You cannot decide it which place you wanna go to choose or not to choose. Okay. So now play. See, these are players. You can also give them a request, or the random. select barrels. Battle is actually like systems decision, the software decision to which place you will go. So now guys, we're here. If you want to start the game or play the game as the randomly, then click on battles, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you next time, and show you the tutorial or gameplay in my next video. So thanks you a lot, goodbye, have fun.